Alright, so we have not one, but two Apple Watches. Now you're going to say, why is this guy buying two Apple Watches? Well, main reason is because I just wanted to check the color before I actually kept one of them. So we have here Series 4 stainless steel white and stainless steel Series 4 44mm black. Alright, let's get inside of these guys and see what it comes with. So, undeniably, these ones are probably the most exciting reveals, I guess, that Apple had. So, first one. Got some little colorful pictures here. This one here is fake. In case you thought it's real, it's not. But it is embossed. On the bottom, we have our white sport band. I guess this is what you can buy in the store. And then here's the watch itself. So it looks like we have the watch face on its own, and its own little packaging here. Put it out to the side. Paperwork. That's as far out as these are going to come. Charging cable. Brick. So now let's take a look at it. Right away you can tell, well at least I can tell, the difference from the previous model. I was using a Series 2, which was aluminum. So the Series 4 itself does have a little bit more weight to it. It is thinner, I can tell. Let's see how this looks. Stainless steel silver. Compared to the new silver phone, silver on the iPhone, you know, if you want it to match, you can. This does stand out a bit more, but it does match. So let's put this off to the side. Let's take a look at the black one. So once again, same packaging. Take these guys apart. A little bit less nice than previously when we opened the boxes. Same type of design on the inside. Here we have the black band. This one here does come in a black cloth as opposed to the white one, or silver, you can call it, as above. And let's just slide this guy out. Maybe it goes the other way. Oh. So, here we have black and we have silver. This one doesn't turn on yet. This is how the black one does compare to the iPhone XS Max Space Gray. So these ones do obviously match well together. And if you want to compare it to the original old Apple Watch, this one here was the 42 that I was using before. This is the 44. You can see that, you know, case size is very similar, but screen size is substantially different. But that's what you get when it comes with it. So here's the two colors in case you wanted to see what they look like before going out to buy it. I would have to say I'm leaning more towards space gray. It is more of a, you know, subtle look. Doesn't stand out as much, but both do feel like they're quality pieces. Anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to watch the next one whenever that does come out.